Yeah, g'day guys, Steve here from Dirt Bike ADV. Sunday afternoon. I just worked a little bit this morning, but just doing a bit of maintenance over the weekend. Just decided to have a quiet weekend and just catch up on the maintenance. Sort of decided what I'm going to do with the exhaust on the AJP. While I had the exhaust off, I dropped the oil. It's done 20,000 Ks now, so dropped the oils and filters. Yeah, so but with the exhaust, I've just decided to replace this lower section with stainless. You can see there's a manifold system down here, and that's the actual oxygen sensor there. So I've decided there was a flange there, so I'm just going to put a flange on some stainless and run a new section of stainless through there, bend there and a bend there, and replace all this titanium. You can see the titanium's copping a fair old hide, and so this will be probably, you know, just probably almost sacrificial, but yeah, the idea is it will be stronger than the titanium. I understand why AJP have done this. They've tried to make a bike super light, and the exhaust section that was there is incredibly light for what they are. But unfortunately, they sort of like, yeah, they got too battered and beaten up. So yeah, just decided to sort of replace that lower section with stainless. So we'll see how we go with that. But yeah, give it an oil change and an oil filter, and yeah, just doing a bit of maintenance on the Sherco as well. I'll do a little bit of cleaning up on this one. It's nice just to get them apart every now and again and take the engine covers off and the frame covers off and take some plastics off and give them a clean up. Cleaning the airbox. Shercos have their battery down the bottom of the airbox, so they get pretty grotty. So yeah, I'll clean all that up and just give it the once over. But yeah, it's funny phenomenon, this thing. I don't know if people have experienced it, but my son's been riding the bike a lot lately, but doesn't seem to be around when you're doing the maintenance days. That sort of seems a bit bizarre, you know. You think he'd be keen to maintain the bike and look after it and help me keep it in pristine condition, but always something else better to be done when it's maintenance day. Funny phenomenon, that. I wonder if it happens elsewhere. Anyway guys, we'll get into it. Does everyone else do that? The ADR compliant airbox cover. Just put a bit of flexible tape over the top, tape the holes up, bit of bam, boom, you got a bit of an airbox cover. We'll go work that on and we'll get into it, I think.